Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a perfect spongy rasgullas with 1 minute Cheena made in Instant Pot. I highly recommend you to watch the video till the end as I'll be sharing many tips and tricks to make a perfect spongy rasgullas. So let's get started. Add half a gallon of milk into the Instant Pot. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Close the lid and set the vent to sealing position. Now press the pressure cook button on more for 1 minute and turn off the keep warm mode if it is on. Once the 1 minute is up, wait for 5 minutes and then quick release. I highly recommend to watch my 1 minute paneer video for all the detailed instruction. I will give the link under the video description so you can check it out. Now open up the Instant Pot and there you go. Our 1 minute Cheena is ready. Now I'll be adding about 4 to 5 cups of ice to bring down the temperature. This is very important to keep the Cheena soft. Now strain the mixture using cheesecloth or any cotton cloth. Wash it with some cold water. Now squeeze out all the water as much as you can. This is very important step to remove the water as much as possible, else you will have hard time to make rasgullas. If you can't squeeze the water instantly, you can hang it up on a hook for 45 to 1 hour for the whey to completely drain. After squeezing out all the water, remove the Cheena into a plate. At this step, you must have Cheena that is just moist with no dripping water and not sticky. Now I'm going to remove the Cheena on a countertop so that I can work easily with it. Now start kneading the mixture until you get smooth, grain-free and non-sticky mixture. It may take any time between 10 to 15 minutes in order to get that smooth consistency. You only be able to make smooth and crack-free balls when the Cheena is kneaded well. After kneading for about 5 minutes, I'll be adding pinch of baking soda and a teaspoon of corn flour. And now keep kneading the mixture again. After kneading for about 10 to 12 minutes, you will notice that the Cheena has turned into smooth texture. Once it is smooth, make small balls out of it. You should be able to get smooth ball like this. If your balls have lots of crack, knead the mixture for another 1 to 2 minutes. Similar way, make rest of the balls. Next, for cooking the rasgullas, add 8 cups of water into a wide pan. Into that, add 2 cups of granulated sugar. The water to sugar ratio is 4:1, so for every 1 cup of sugar, we add 4 cups of water. This ratio is important to get the right syrup consistency. Now give it a good mix and wait till it comes to full boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we will start adding rasgullas one by one. The balls double in size, so there should be enough space in the pan for them to cook. Don't overcrowd the pan with too many balls. Now I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook for about 15 to 17 minutes. Now here I would like to give you one quick tip. Always cook rasgullas in a wide saucepan with lid. Any contact with air will cause the rasgullas to shrink, giving chewing and harder end result. After 15 minutes, the balls will double in size. Once the rasgullas are cooked, transfer it into ice cold water. As you can see, as soon as I am adding the balls into the ice cold water, they are sinking on the bottom of the bowl, and that's the sign that the rasgullas are cooked well. While the balls are cooling down, let's make the thickened milk. For that, take 1 liter of whole milk into a pan. Into that, I'll be adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of saffron milk. And now let the milk come to a boil. At this point of time, I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar into the milk. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. After the first boil of milk, cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Don't cook it too much, otherwise the milk will thicken and the gullas will not be able to absorb all the milk in it. Now I'll be adding cardamom powder with some chopped dry fruits. Now turn off the stove, and as I am making mango rasmalai today, I'm adding some mango essence with half a cup of mango pulp. If you are not making mango rasmalai, you can skip this step and follow rest of the instructions. Now our rabdi is ready, and let's get back to our rasgulla balls. Now squeeze and flatten each and every gullas and transfer in a container in which you are going to store the rasgullas. Next, I'll be adding all the milk which we prepared earlier for rasgullas. The milk should be warm enough when you add into the rasgullas. You can garnish it with some pistachios or dry fruits on the top. Now cover the lid and transfer it into the refrigerator for at least 5 to 6 hours. I prefer to let it rest overnight. And now our rasgullas are ready to be served. Now let me cut it and I will show you how spongy are they from inside. As you can see, they have got nice spongy texture from inside, and that's the sign of a perfect rasgullas. Don't forget to hit like button if you like all the tips which I have shared in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Before serving, you can garnish it again with some chopped dry fruits or edible flowers. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you have any queries regarding this video, don't forget to leave your comments under the video description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with the next recipe.